Hey, what's up, guys? This is Neon Monkey, the founder of Monkey Squad, speaking again. This week was very interesting. Right now, I have a chart of Cardano up. I also want to speak a little bit about Bitcoin and what happened this week. We could begin with the Cardano as it's moving up from the lows of 400 Satoshis all the way up till nearly 500. I believe we do have steam in this run up. So the where I went long was about 445. I also tweeted when I went long. So far I'm in profit. The trade it looks pretty good. I have no reason to sell. I'll be looking for exits above 520, but looking at the daily chart, usually these type of plays end up swinging pretty high. So for example, the Bitmex chart doesn't have enough data, so we'll go over here. On the daily, we could see that Cardano could potentially swing up to here. However, on the weekly level, this is my target, 624. I personally don't think I'll be holding until that point. I'll start scaling out at 545 as this is a pretty major resistance level, as you could see. We'll put a nice color over here, pink or something. Also, so Cardano's a pretty good long right now, in my opinion. You can't go wrong with longing this. Speaking a little bit about Bitcoin, I don't know if most of you follow my Twitter or are part of the Monkey Squad Discord channel. It's a free channel. If you're not, you could come join. I'll put the link in the description. So the reason why Monkey Squad was actually long during this run up was pretty simple. Here, I'll show you guys. Let me just get rid of these vertical lines. 4 hours. The Ikumuku I have here is not default, so I'll just quickly put that on. As you can see, the data that we were working with initially looked like something like this. So it was forming the bullish pennants as it always does, the continuation pattern that we always see on the run up from 3K to 13.8K. We always saw this pattern develop. On top of that, it was being supported by the cloud. I was thinking that as soon as we get over the cloud, so in the next 20 hours-ish, we should pump. However, the bears took control. A huge whale probably came in, market sold a bunch, triggered stop losses because everyone had their stop losses around here. I had my stop loss at 11.600. I could have probably played this a bit better. My entry was a 11.574. However, even though my stop loss was in profit, slippage caused me to lose money on that trade. Potentially going into the future, always put your stop loss, increase your stop loss size closer and closer to the pennant. So a good area to put your stop loss in this case would have been 11,740-ish, as that it was like a local low on the hourly chart at the time. However, going into this week, I believe Bitcoin will continue to chop around. We really needed to close above this level. It was really important for us to close above this on the weekly 11,500. Then I could see it potentially continuing up. What I was looking for was a fully bullish close of this candle. So on Sunday, we should have been at 12.3K, then opening up next week, another bullish move all the way to like 14 to 15,000. That's what I was hoping for in the last couple days. Unfortunately, the bears took over. So right now, I'm actually in no trade. I want to see how this weekly closes. The weekly close is in the next 4 hours, so I'll be paying pretty close attention to that. Alongside with that, on the daily, things look about the same. As you can see, we bounced off this support line or close to it. People front ran it. I believe we'll move up and continue range. Maybe we go to 11.7, 11.8, maybe even 12K this week, and pull back down and continue to chop around like that for the rest of the month. But I am bullish on Bitcoin going into September for sure, as I did say 3 weeks ago. So I would only play personally. I would only play the long side right now. It's not really worth shorting near these support zones, as this is massive support. As you could see during the last bull run, we ran up and had a lot of struggle in this area of going either above it and bouncing off it, or going below it and bouncing off it and going even lower. So I would just wait for now. If you want to take a long, take one over here with a very tight stop loss. It's a good risk and reward ratio. You could potentially profit from it. Other than that, that's my weekly analysis going into next week. We'll be posting more videos this week that do not involve weekly analysis. So stay tuned for that and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.